Microsoft Project Online is a cloud-based project and portfolio management tool that enables teams to collaborate, plan, and track projects from anywhere. Here's how to use it. Access Microsoft Project Online. Sign in. Go to Microsoft Project Online and sign in with your Microsoft 365 credentials. Ensure your account has access to Project Online. Set up your environment. Create a new project. From the Project Center, click on New Project. You can start with a blank project or use a template. Enter the project name, start date, and other details. Configure project details. Set up key project parameters, including the timeline, tasks, resources, and milestones. Plan and assign tasks. Define tasks. In the project schedule view, add tasks by entering them in the task name column. Set durations and dependencies between tasks. Assign resources. Go to resources to add team members or equipment. Then assign these resources to tasks by selecting the task and choosing the appropriate resource from the list. Collaborate and track progress. Use timesheets. Team members can log their hours worked in the timesheet section, helping you track progress. Monitor project status. Use the Project Center and built-in reports to monitor project status, deadlines, and resource allocation. Manage and update. Adjust schedules. As the project progresses, update tasks, timelines, and resources as needed to reflect changes. Generate reports. Use the report section to generate visual reports on project health, resource usage, and timelines.